Why is it so hard to make $10,000 a month?
So to start off, if you're thinking that making 10K a month is hard, I personally don't agree with you at all. Maybe 10 years ago it was difficult, but now if you put your mind to it, with the amount of online businesses out there, it's actually quite easy to do on the internet. The best example I have is called OF Management, or OFM for short. Essentially, all you have to do is find a few models and manage their OF accounts. With the way that I run this model, the manager takes a 50-50 revenue share of all earnings. So to make 5K a week, let's say you have 10 models with a 50-50 split. If you produce 10K a week, it's about 1,000 a week per model, right? So this is 5,000 for you as a manager. So if you set up a few step-by-step systems and a few processes to follow, it's actually not that difficult to scale an account to this point. Now, when you run this business strategy, you'll have some models that only produce about 1,000 a week, and others will be producing like 5,000 a week or even more. And you still keep that 50% split. So it's extremely fast to get this point where you're bringing in multi 5 figures per month in profit.